My name is Horacio Pagani. I'm the founder and chief designer for my own company, Pagani Automobili. I'm known within the car industry for making some of the most expensive and beautiful custom-made hypercars in the world. I was born on November 10th, 1955 in Calzada, Argentina. My parents were Italian. My father, Luca Pagani, was an Italian baker, and my mother, Maria Pagani, was an artist. My dream of making cars began when I was a little boy. I always dreamed of making the most beautiful car in the world. The main reason I am famous is for the amazing and beautiful supercars that I have developed and built. All the cars that my company makes are all made by hand. I created the science of making carbon fiber molds, then being able to make each piece of the carbon fiber, which is exclusive technology that helps make my cars lighter and faster. When I was a kid, I grew up in Argentina and spent a lot of time reading car magazines, daydreaming of someday being able to build a car on my own. I would make drawings and models of cars I would dream of building someday. I learned about Leonardo da Vinci and was inspired by him. My mom was an artist and taught me to love art, so it became my goal to combine my love of cars and technology with my love of art. One day I would build the fastest and most beautiful cars the world has ever seen. When I was 14, my friends and I started gathering scrap parts and building go-karts and mini bikes by the time I finished high school. I had built my very first car. It was a dune buggy that took me 5 months to build. When I grew up, I decided to start pursuing my dream. By the age of 20, I had designed and built my first F2 race car. There was over 5,000 hours of work and research put into it. In 1982, at 27 years old, I moved to Italy and was hired by Lamborghini. I started sweeping their floors and was happy to do it. Through a lot of hard work, I was able to be promoted and worked in body development and eventually became the chief engineer. I went on to help with developing the Lamborghini Miura and Countach. Eventually, I wanted to do more with science and technology of working with carbon fiber and titanium. Lamborghini was not very interested in this idea, so I made the decision to leave Lamborghini and follow my dream. In 1992, I founded Pagani Automobili in Modena, Italy. Just a few years later, in 1999, the Honda C12 was presented at the Geneva Auto Show. Later models of the Honda broken records at the Nürburgring. In 2002, 2005, 2007, 2008, to 2010, 2011. I have made other models of cars, including the Wyra, which has broken many records too. I am now 64 years old and live in Modena, Italy. I am married to my wife Christiana Pagani, and have 2 children, Christopher Pagani and Leonardo Pagani. I continue to operate my business, designing and building handmade custom supercars. I have always loved art, technology, and engineering. The cars I create are a balance of the things I love. Through a lot of hard work, I was able to make my dream come true. I'm Horacio Pagani.